There's a man tied up in my room. Well, look into it. Right away, sir.
Please, I need water. I have a long journey ahead of me. May God protect you. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, please forgive me. I didn't expect to see you here, of all places, at our door. At last.
At last?
Didn't I tell you, Aaron? Didn't I tell you? I knew he would return to us when he was ready.
Miriam, do you want us flogged?
I knew you cared about our freedom.
Miriam, freedom? Why would I care about that?
Because you're our brother.
What?
They never told you?
Who never told me what?
But you're here. You must know.
Be careful, slave.
Oh, my good prince. She's exhausted from the day's work. Not that it was too much. We quite enjoyed it, but she's confused and knows not to whom she speaks.
I know to whom I speak, Aaron. I know who you are, and you are not a prince of Egypt.
Miriam, what did you say? Your Highness, pay her no heed. Come. May I discuss something with you?
Aaron, no, please, Moses, you must believe.
That's enough.
You were born of my mother, Yocheved.
Stop it.
You are our brother.
Now you go too far. You shall be punished.
No, please. Your Highness, she's ill. She's very ill. We beg your forgiveness. Please, Miriam,
no,
let us go.
Our mother set you adrift in a basket to save your life.
Save my life? From who?
Ask the man that you call father.
How dare you?
God saved you to be our deliverer.
Enough of this.
And you are, Moses. You are the deliverer.
I said enough!
Why wouldn't I understand?
You will regret this night.
Hush now, my baby. Be still, love. Don't cry. Sleep as you're rocked by the stream. Sleep and remember my last lullaby. So I'll be with you when you dream.
All I ever wanted. Sweet perfumes of incense, graceful rooms of alabaster stone. All I ever wanted. This is my home, with my father, mother, brother, oh so noble, oh so strong. Now I am home. Here among my trappings and belongings I belong. And if anybody doubts it, they couldn't be more wrong. I am a sovereign prince of Egypt, a son of the proud history that's shown etched on every wall.